Alan, it was tough, wasn't it, the way they lost their last game? They've got to do better today, and I sense that they're up for doing better today.
Well, I think they are. I mean, one or two heads maybe dropped towards the end of that defeat, but they've had a chance to pick themselves up in between, and they need to respond, they need to bounce back.
And the ball's with Anderson. It's Watson. They can spread the play now. Goalkeeper can only parry it out. That's good movement forward here. Well defended, not just getting across, he thought quickly as well. Still got a bit to do, but this is promising. Let's fly! Good save. And it's gone for a corner. Put the corner in the middle. Only partially cleared, so there's still some problems for them.
He's one of the best, Martin, at just shifting across, reading the pass.
Tyson. And it's gone out for a throw. To Scott. Joe. Well, no danger from that cross because the defender can cope with it easily. Promax. He's got support here. Now this isn't... Here's the chance! Just too high with the chip.
Such a difficult skill, that. Keeping the ball under control when you're running.
Anderson. Well, in it goes. And they get it away. Rama. To Scott. Oh, he spotted the pass and cut it out. Weaver. Promax. Well, they're building steadily here, working away. Shot on! Had a real chance to get in at goal then. A bit predictable with the passing and the opposition able to deal with that. To Scott. Yang. Gets his cross in. That will be a corner. Here comes the corner. This with a chance to go into the lead now. Oh, so close with that header.
Oh, he's good at that, isn't he? He really does connect well with those neck muscles.
Santiago loses possession. Promax. Okay. Now they're looking to get forward from this position. He's through. Trying to stretch the opposition using the wider areas here. It's a good cross. Well, that's the opener. And it's been coming. The better side, but you have to score when you're on top. We wondered whether they would do that, but they have done. And they've done it in fine style. Fantastic football, really, to lead to a goal like that.
The defenders seem to lose the concentration almost. They saw it coming from a long way out.
And that has opened the scoring. 1-0 here. Santiago. Here's Bennett. Cross is long towards the back post. And we'll start again with a goal kick. Rama. He's got it away, and that's what you have to do. To Bennett. It's unlike him, really, to play the ball straight to the opposition. Pretty late, the challenge. Well, that episode is going to lead to a yellow card from the referee.
Well, look at the ref, he reached for his pocket straight away. No hesitation from him. Well, look at him, Martin. I've seen him do some serious damage from this kind of distance.
Has a go here! And that shot's blocked very quickly. Now, can he take them on? Cleared away by the defender. And it is the interceptor who's done a good job in the wide area. Here's Yang. Bit of space to go forward into with the ball. Time to get the ball in. Well, they kept up the pressure, didn't they? But it's finally been stopped now. Rama. Good challenge. It's decent attacking play. Good skill with the ball to beat a man. And in it goes towards the far post. Defended well. Angulo. Delivered into the box. Punched away by the keeper. Saw the pass coming and got there first. 2 minutes left, that's added time.
Of 2 minutes of added time.
Well, they're building steadily here, working away. In comes the challenge. Okay. And that's half-time. Signalled by the referee, 1-0 the half-time score. Well, this scoreline will reverberate around the... Here we go with the start of the second half. And they get it away. Here's a chance to go down the outside of the opposition. Angulo, neatly intercepted. Throw in here. I guess he was aiming for a teammate, but he certainly didn't find one. Some options now for the pass. That's a good spot by the defender. It's a good cross. Done well to get it wide, not done so well with the delivery from the wide areas. They've got the ball back, the interceptor got it for them. And they've got a man out wide. Gets his cross in. Not really away from... Opportunity here! And they have scored! And they do lead now by 2. And they've worked very hard for this. It should get them across the line at the end of the match, we'll see. Just widen the margin here to 2-0. Tyson to Bennett. Angulo. Rama. Joe. Excellent challenge. Anderson. Maybe took his eye off the ball. Here's Bennett. Well, here comes the support. Can he finish? Teammates arriving for the cutback here. Shot on! That's a brilliant goal, well taken.
Well, he's not far out, but you've got to be on your toes in these circumstances, and he was.
And we restart the game 2-1. Here's Yang. Short passes, they're keeping the ball. Untidy work. He's cut that out well read.
We thought we'd be seeing this scoreline at this stage of the game the other way around. And the football's capacity to surprise has come up trumps again.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it. They really have played above themselves, and the fancied side really haven't performed.
Joe. Rama. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. Here's Yang. That's his game, isn't it? Intercepting. Oh, chance! Goal! They lead by 2 now. Took the chance nicely, and that really has given them much more of a basis for the rest of this match. 3-1 the scoreline as we restart the game. Roberts. Rama. Weaver. Beavers. Good work from the referee. Play on as an advantage. Slip through. Okay. So we're coming down now towards the last 15 minutes. Angulo. Delivered into the box. Good defensive clearance there. In quickly. Referee's not going to like that one. It's yellow from the ref.
Oh, without question. Oh, he's so capable from this distance, Martin.
Time wasting, Alan, do you think, from the away team here?
Had a crack! And a corner given by the referee. Here comes the corner. It's a fine stop, a full stretch from the keeper to turn that aside. Well, there's one for him to chase in behind. It's a very good interception. It's 82 minutes played now. Rama made a quick interception. Oh, he spotted the pass and cut it out. It's a quick break. Santiago! And it's a goal here.
They're still a long way behind here, but at least they've got something to remember the game by.
Very good game, 3-2.
Rama, Weaver, Joe. Can find some space here on the flanks. Offside. The officials clearly in agreement. And that's a straightforward offside decision.
Maybe took his eye off the ball.
Tyson, Santiago.
Guiding it through the defenders.
Chelsea fans doing the best. You can't knock them. They get their players to get a late equaliser here.
And he gets ahead to it, but can only knock it out of play. Here's Bennett.
Made the tackle. Can't keep the ball at the moment. And it's come to an end now as the referee blows the whistle for the last time.
Well, we're halfway through the season-ish, and this is a very important result for them. They've struggled for much of the first half of the season. This could set up a second half.
Trying to stretch the opposition using the wider areas here. It's a good cross. Well, that's the opener. And it's been coming. The better side, but you have to score when you're on top. We wondered whether they would do that, but they have done. Gets his cross in. Not really away from the threat here. Opportunity here, and they have scored. And they do lead now by 2. And they've worked very hard for this. It should get them across the line at the end of the match, we'll see. Just widen the margin here. Can he finish? Teammates arriving for the cutback here. Struck the shot on! And that's a brilliant goal, well taken.
Well, he's not far out, but you've got to be on your toes in these circumstances, and he was.
And we restart the game. Oh, chance! Goal! They lead by 2 now. Took the chance nicely, and that really has given them much more of a basis for the rest of this match. 3-1 the scoreline as we... It's yellow from the ref.
Oh, without question.
It's a quick break. Santiago! And it's a goal here.
They're still a long way behind here, but at least they've got something to remember the game by.
Very good game, 3-2. Well, that episode is going to lead to a yellow card from the referee.
Well, look at the...